In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save your designs in Canva. First, let's navigate over to canva.com. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Look for the login button located at the upper right corner of the home page. Canva offers you a variety of login options. You can choose to sign in using your Google account, Facebook account, or simply with your email. Whichever method you choose, make sure it's an account that you commonly use to make future logins easier. Now, once you're logged in and have started working on your design, here's something really convenient. Canva automatically saves your designs as you work. This means you don't need to worry about losing your progress if you accidentally close the tab or have any internet issues. However, there might be times when you prefer to manually save your work, just to have that extra peace of mind. If you're on a desktop, go to the File section at the top. Click on Save. This will ensure that your latest work is saved manually, though Canva's auto-save feature already does an excellent job at this. When you're ready to keep a local copy of your design on your device, let's move on to downloading your creation. On the desktop version, you'll find the download option under the Share button at the top of the screen. Click on that and then select Download. Before you proceed with the actual download, Canva gives you the option to choose your desired file format. You can select from options like PDF standard, PNG or JPEG, depending on what you need. If you're unsure of which format to choose, PNG is often ideal for high quality images, while JPEG can be a good choice for smaller file sizes. PDF is typically best for documents you plan to print or share digitally in a preserved format. Once you've selected your preferred format, go ahead and tap the download button. The file will be saved to your device in the location you've set for downloads. And that's it, you've successfully saved and downloaded your Canva design. This simple process ensures you have your work at your fingertips whenever you need it, ready to be shared or printed. I hope you found this guide helpful. Enjoy creating with Canva.